Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy Nature Kwan Moultrie. If you're here watching this video for the first time, please, what I want you to do, please give me a thumbs up. Please hit that red subscribe button and make sure you turn those notification bells because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online and how to make money without having experience. Now, far as today, you know, I got some proof for you guys right now. Before anything, I got some proof right now, and it's gonna blow your mind. Now, I have received something in the mail, but let me just let me just get to this amazing opportunity for you guys right now. But this is gonna blow your mind. Trust me, and you definitely gonna want to take action. And it's USA only. All right, USA only. Unfortunately, guys, if you live in another country or if you live in another state, you can able to get cash in the mail. But if you live out of the country, doesn't allow it. All right. So, without that being said, my name is Shaquan Moultrie. I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 3 years now, and it completely changed my life. And the reason why I make videos almost every day is because I like to teach you guys how to make money by doing simple tasks, by doing simple things, the step by step full tutorial. If you like videos, like you can go ahead and pick which video. You can go through all my videos, make sure you watch them, because I like to teach people how to make money. All right. This is why I make this is why I make videos almost every day. It's because I like to teach you guys how to make money online. Now, this is something different, and I'm going to show you guys what type of program it is, and this is going to definitely help you in the future. Okay, you might want to take action at any time. All right, so what I want you to do right now, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if you like this type of content. Make sure you hit that subscribe, make sure you turn the notification bells as well, and make sure you comment down below, say, hey, I want to join today. All right. So if you can do those four things for me, then that would be great. All right. So without that being said, guys, let's head over to this new opportunity. All right, guys. So the name of this program is called Cash Building System Unlimited. Now, Cash Building System Unlimited is a way you can. All you have to do is mail postcards. Okay. All you have to do is mail postcards. That's basically it. So if you mail postcards, guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna receive up to $25 commission after you pay $50. All right. So I will leave the link in the description down below, so that way you have full access to sign up and register today. Because it's only USA only. It's not fair to your country. Okay. If you live in another country, I'm sorry, but to be able to receive cash in the mail or checks in the mail, you will have to have you will have to live in the United States. That's the only way if you want to receive money in the mail. All right? I'm going to show you proof in a second. But if you land on this page, um, you will see this video. It's called JD Marketing. But if you watch this full video, like I think it's like either 3 or 4 minute video, short video, webinar video. So if you watch this video, whatever, it's gonna teach you, it's gonna show you everything that you need to know when you come prepared. Okay. So basically, it's just a simple thing. All you're doing is just mailing postcards, and if people want to join, you're gonna start receiving mails. You're gonna start receiving checks and cash in the mail. All right. So without that being said, here's the thing what's going to tell you. It said, through our direct mail marketing system, there is no personal selling, no product inventory or maintained, no answering questions, no hotel meetings or attend, no, no cold calling, no explaining to anyone, no chasing friends or family, just mail postcards. Simple. If you got what it takes and you want to make money from home, you could do it offline. Okay, you could do it offline because it's better chance for you to do it offline, because if you mail postcards, you want to start receiving checks in the mail or cash in the mail. This is legit. If it wasn't legit, I wouldn't be making this video for a reason. The reason why I'm making this video is because I want to tell you guys how amazing this program is. And this would definitely put money in your pocket. So if you don't want to join, hey, all I'm going to tell you, you're going to miss out the big opportunity, what's been given to you and what's been presented to you, because a lot of people that's been taking action on this type of program is actually making a killing. All right. Matter of fact, if I go to Facebook, right? I'm gonna go to Facebook real quick. While that's loading, I want to still continue through this first. All right. So here's the thing: when you come at phase 1, you're only gonna pay $50 for the first time. Okay, first time pay. If you get 2 people, that's $50. So if you get one person that signs up under you and they pay $50, you're gonna receive $25 commissions. All right. So if you get, say for example, if I do the math, look on my phone right now. I'm gonna go to calculator. Say 25 times 10 people. That's $250 just in one day. All right, just in one day. So if somebody signs up $50, right? $50, you'll only get paid $25 commissions. Pay in check or pay in cash. $25 in cash, $25 in checks. All right? That's how the system goes. So normally you'll get paid. All you have to do is just mail postcards. That's it. That's all. They're going to give you 200 leads and 200 postcards. So here's the next step. So as you're a member, a Cash Building System Unlimited member, right? Come at phase 1. The program only $50 at phase 1. So that means you will complete marketing kit, everything you need to get started, include 200 postcards and 200 names of prospects on peel and stick labels to mail your postcards to. You will also receive the 59182, your personal member ID number, which you sign up as a one-time member. All right. So that means you'll get your ID with the package that's coming with everything that's included, including the 200 leads and the 200 postcards. All right. So the next step is once you it said your postcard would be customized with your name and your mailing address, your member ID number, and your phone number if you choose on the order form. So also, every new member that you personally enrolled to phase 1, you will earn $25, like I said. So guys, if you want to become a member today, you have to be living in the United States only. United States only. If you live in Japan or anything, it won't help. All right. So you have to live in the United States to receive cash or checks in the mail. That's the only way you are able to join this amazing opportunity. All right. The only way to join this amazing opportunity, you have to live in the United States. I'm sorry, because it's not whatever country you're in. If you're in Spain, India, Arabia, or Ethiopia, if you somewhere like that, if by chance the company does not go too far out the country, so the company usually stay in the United States. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And also I want to show you guys the Facebook real quick. So if I come down here And 1 second. Hold on. 1 second, guys. Okay. Let me see something here. Trying to look for the Facebook group real quick. You know what? Let me just... All right, there we go. All right, guys. All right, so this is the members area. So when you sign up, and if they ask you who's your member, you tell them it's Jaquan Moultrie. And if they ask you, okay, any other questions, just answer them all. Answer simple questions, all right? Just answer them all right? These are real people in the Facebook group of Cash Building System Unlimited, all right? So you got a person in May 5th. This person named Daria Jackson. She made about $25. Her commission, okay? Postcard. All right. These are real people. All right, real people. So these are actually real people. This guy named Derek Torrain. He made about $200. Got paid Cash App $200. Guys, this is amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is amazing. This is an amazing opportunity. All right. So what I want to do, I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys what I have received. All right. So let me block out my address so you won't see. All right. So you can see right here. Give me one moment. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna cover up my name. Guys, all right, there we go. Guys, can you see that? Can you see that? That's me, Jaquan Moultrie. All right. So this is from JD Mark. This is from JD Marketing. So basically, this is from JD Marketing. So basically, I'm going to show you guys my proof right now as you're watching the video. All right. All right. So here it is right now. I'm gonna shout you out, brother. Dan Ocean, thank you for joining this amazing opportunity. Welcome to Cash Building Systems Unlimited. I want to thank you for coming to join this amazing opportunity, and I wish you the best and wish you the best in luck that you will receive cash in the mail as you email or postcards. So welcome to the team, man. And then, all right. And after that, this is it right here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cover this up. Matter of fact, let me cover this up now because I don't want to show his personal bit. I don't want to show his personal information. All right. This is the commission form that I got from Cash Building Unlimited System. So this is it, y'all. This is it. And I received $25. There's a 20 and there's a 5. 25. All right. So guys, that's simple. All you have to do is mail postcards. All right. So you have to mail postcards. So basically, what you do, you label them, you put stamps on them, you put your ID number, or if you want to get your ID customized, you can also, you're more than welcome to do that. All All right. So guys, this is very simple. It's not get rich quick, but if you got the juice and you got the mindset, you can do it. Don't give up. Why you think I made my first commission off this? I'm telling you, all because of the person joined under me, and I got paid $25. Guys, I just been busy. Like I just been so busy doing other things. I didn't have time to do cash building unlimited systems because you know why? Because I've been helping you guys. Teaching you guys about affiliate marketing. All right. Right now, this is not no affiliate marketing. This is actually like getting cash in the mail, receiving cash in the mail. This is proof. The proof I just showed you right now, that was proof. All right. So, without that being said, guys, these are all the people. These are actually real people right now. So, as you can see, you're gonna get you're going to get a postcard like this. All right. You're gonna get a postcard just like this. So, guys, ladies and gentlemen, if I was you, yo, make sure you click that link. I'm gonna put my ID along with it, so that way you can put my ID number as I'm referring you. Okay. So as I'm referring you, you put my ID number 2326. I'm gonna leave that in the description down below. All right. So without that being said, guys, thank you for watching my video, and I want to appreciate you guys for taking the opportunity to get up to 212 subscribers. Let's keep it going, y'all, and give me like 50 likes, man, if you can. Matter of fact, give me 100 likes. Share this video to a bunch of your friends if your friends want to join this amazing opportunity too. But everyone have to live in United States. If you don't live in United States, you can't join this amazing opportunity. All right? That's all I'm gonna tell you. So if you're serious about joining this amazing opportunity, you make sure you click that link down below so that way you'll be redirected to this amazing opportunity. All right. So without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I see you guys on the other side. All right, y'all. Peace.